The price of Dogecoin has continued to fall after the November 10th and 16th declines, which saw the price decrease by about 32% from highs of approximately 34.1 cents to the current price of around 22.4 cents. Several efforts at recovery have been attempted, but no major progress has been achieved to get Doge back up to the October 28th high. Thanks for watching Crypto Lion. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
Doge is now trading at 22.4 cents and looks to be forming a descending triangle chart pattern on the 12-hour chart. Bulls are now under pressure from the 23.5 cents resistance level. Holding above the support line supplied by the triangle's horizontal axis at 22.1 cents has become critical for the continuation of the upward advance. The overall technological picture, however, suggests that Doge may fall more in the near future. The chart pattern will be certified if the price of Dogecoin falls below the x-axis supplied by the controlling chart pattern's horizontal trend line. The breakout should happen before the trend lines merge, and the target should be equal to the distance between the triangle's thickest points. This suggests that if Dogecoin breaks below the triangle, it might lose up to 32% and reach the 15.1 cents level, as seen on the 12-hour chart. However, if this occurs, investors will have the option to purchase Doge at a reduced price before the bull run resumes. That gloomy prognosis is exacerbated by the relative strength index indicator, which is now at 38.13, near to the oversold level, indicating that Doge's market mood is pessimistic. Furthermore, the MACD's indicator's position below the signal line validates Dogecoin's bearish story. Also, the MACD is below the zero line in the negative area, indicating a negative market sentiment for Doge. The negative prognosis for Dogecoin pricing will be invalidated if support by the horizontal axis of the triangle at 22.1 cents is maintained and Doge turns resistance at 24.1 cents into support. If this occurs, Doge bulls will likely kickstart the uptrend, which would likely see Dogecoin's price slice through the triangle's descending trend line around 25.4 cents, which is hugged by the 100 SMA, confirming a bullish breakout. Doge USD moved in a range of 21.6 to 23.6 cents over the last few days, exhibiting low volatility. Trading volume has climbed by over 100% to $1.9 billion, with a total market worth of roughly $29.3 billion, making the coin retain its 10th position. The Dogecoin price has been stabilizing over the past several hours on the 4-hour chart as bears are set to test the 21.5 cent support. Over the last several weeks, the price of Dogecoin has maintained a downward trend, following a significantly higher high made at 34 cents around the end of October. A major reverse occurred, driving Doge USD down. Doge hit its current low of 21.4 cents on November 23rd after a succession of lower lows and highs. Following that, a stronger response concluded with another lower high recorded at 23.6 cents on Wednesday, November 23rd. Since then, the Dogecoin price has gradually retraced, approaching the prior low of 21.5 cents. Doge USD will most likely try to test the support level in the next 24 hours as selling pressure remains intense. Dogecoin price analysis is bearish today with a further drop over the previous 24 hours down to the 21.5 cent support level. Doge USD will most likely seek to breach lower in order to maintain the general negative trend witnessed in recent weeks. Following a selling tsunami that blasted the price action over the past few days, the largest meme currency, Dogecoin, has been hanging inside negative C's below the 23 cents mark. A bearish crossing with the 50-period simple moving average consolidating below the 200-period simple moving average at the H4 chart aided the sell-off. Doge failed to maintain its bullish momentum after hitting all-time highs, eventually breaking below the 200 SMA due to a lack of dynamic and sturdy support to keep the price on an upward path. Furthermore, no major event that occurred in terms of fundamental changes or on-chain movements that may have influenced the meme coin's price in the previous several days. Shiba Inu, on the other hand, had been aided in some way by the flood of news regarding on-chain maneuvers, though it didn't help to keep bids on the Dogecoin killer alive. According to the H4 chart, Dogecoin is currently looking to consolidate above the 21 cents level as a demand area has been established. Also, the price is attempting to break above the 50 SMA once more, which could help fuel the bull's push towards the 200 SMA around 26 cents. Once Doge clears the 200 SMA on its journey north, the 29 cents level will be the next crucial barrier to cross, followed by all-time highs around 34 cents before entering the discovery zone. Meanwhile, the RSI indicator is displaying a continuing sell signal, indicating that bears continue to dominate the scene as the slope also heads downwards. In the short term, the next crucial supports are at 20 cents and 18 cents. However, it may finally turn positive if the price breaks over the 24 cents and the meme currency gains traction after being supported by the 50 SMA. Some investors are put off by Dogecoin's high volatility over the last year. Putting any major amount of money into something that may soar or crash in a matter of seconds needs a steel stomach and the appropriate attitude. Dogecoin, on the other hand, is an excellent alternative for investors wishing to get into the crypto game. Why? Holding Dogecoin for a lengthy period of time may offer investors a taste of what crypto investment is all about. Investing in cryptocurrencies requires solid confidence that a technological revolution is unfolding and that cryptocurrency will soon reshape the world as we know it. Surges and drops caused by volatile emotions are nonetheless normal, and investors are expected to be prepared to ride out the storms when they arise.
Take me to church, child. Get the sign of your life. Then you can shop and get now. I believe that.
Dogecoin is one of the most speculative and hence volatile cryptocurrencies available. As a result, folks wishing to go on an extraordinary journey may opt to invest a few bucks in Dogecoin. This cryptocurrency will sure create a roller coaster journey that's both entertaining and terrifying at times. Of course, with such risky assets, investors should only invest what they're ready to lose. It should also be noted that Dogecoin has a distinct market positioning. Dogecoin's mining methodology, inflationary status, and linkages to Litecoin all appeal to many investors. These characteristics distinguish Dogecoin and make it an appealing investment for many cryptocurrency fans. Dogecoin's mining mechanism is based on proof of work since it was an early crypto entrant. This implies that, similar to Bitcoin, hard computational challenges must be addressed in order to verify transactions throughout the Dogecoin network. Given the environmental problems surrounding crypto mining, experts expect that Dogecoin will transition to a proof-of-stake validation paradigm, in which coin holders verify transactions. Such a step may tempt investors who are hesitant to engage in older coins. However, Dogecoin is supposed to utilize far less energy for each transaction than Bitcoin, less than 2%. Those interested in cryptocurrency from a sustainability standpoint should appreciate this. Furthermore, Dogecoin's blockchain is validated by miners using the script method, which is also used to mine Litecoin, which is a Bitcoin fork. Those who are optimistic about both Dogecoin and Litecoin will appreciate this option, which is not common in the crypto mining market. Finally, Dogecoin's inflationary character has previously alarmed several investors. Purchasing anything that organically inflates over time, supply is unlimited like Bitcoin's, necessitates that demand surpasses the natural inflation rate. If people start withdrawing from Dogecoin in large numbers or move to the next most popular crypto, Dogecoin's value might plummet quickly. However, since only 5 billion new Doge tokens are generated each year, investors can carefully predict the inflation rate over time. Given the current supply of Doge at over 132 billion, this year's inflation rate comes out to around 3.8%. Furthermore, when the denominator becomes greater, the inflation rate will drop. Knowing the capital inflows into Dogecoin allows investors to assess the likelihood of a price increase. It's a great option for people searching for an intellectual challenge. Investors, though, must be mindful of the hazards. Adding a tiny position to Doge to a well-diversified portfolio of cryptocurrencies is a good idea. Having said that, this coin has upside potential, and it may be worth a look for those who can tolerate its volatility. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.